Bali, ito, this is wire is going to accelerator pedal. This is socket wire. All wiring coming from accelerator pedal going here. This is the computer. Throttle actuator control module. Ito yung nagko-control. This is the control of actuator and accelerator pedal. This is the computer. And then this is another socket is going to throttle actuator pedal. And then the upper wire is going to PCM, power control module. Then this is this this is that one, throttle actuator control module. And then all wire here, going here, pedal.